Hey friends, today I'm excited to share with you the January monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. So we're kicking off a brand new year with some new amazing products. Let's start out with the monthly kit. Okay, here's the kit. This is the first sheet of die cuts. This one is so cute. I love the Hello My Love. That would be a really good card or a little Valentine. Perfect pair. Begin again forever. Love this photo, so cute. Here's a 4x6 tag. Isn't that the cutest little pattern? Love it. Another die cut sheet here. Hands down best ever. That's a really good one. There's some little tabs that you can attach there, some circle die cuts and labels, which are really awesome to have. Look at that. That's a really pretty 4x6. And here's one more 4x6, the story of this photo. Let's take a look at the 3x4s. So there's that cool pattern again. I love that so many of the tags and embellishments coordinate across the kit and add-ons, like this focusing on. That's a good one to start out the year. On this day, date night details. Enjoying this. Heart, things I love about right now. Pink, oh, there's some cute hearts. Love is all the moments you share plus the memories you make together. That's quite nice. Oh, I love that color, and that color combination is super pretty. Hello 2020, classic wood, and then my heart is so happy with that coral color again. Loving the color scheme this month so much. Okay. So there's the kit. Let's check out the add-ons. Let's start with the paper, which I'm super excited about because, as you might be able to notice, it's bigger. So we have moved to 24 sheets of 6 by 8.5 inches. So for all you guys who like to create traveler's notebook pages, these are going to be able to fit your traveler's notebook without having to piece together pieces of 6 by 6 paper, which I'm super excited about. Here's a really great wood. It's a stripe. This is a very happy paper stack. So many cool patterns here. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Floral. There's that coral color. Pink dots. Red grid. Love this pattern. And I love that blue color. Gray hearts. And this one is really cool. Stars. I could see myself using that on a birthday card. It's a really happy stack of paper. So that's called the Love Is paper stack. And again, sized at 8.5 inches long now, which I'm really excited about. Here are the January labels. They have little phrases on them this month, which are really great. You could put your date in there. You could put a little bit of journaling. Let's go to the stickers. I adore you stickers. So these have the colors that you love from the kit in kind of like a washi patterns below, and then phrases above. So really usable set there this month. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, the die cuts. You guys are going to love these. Super excited about these. Lots of awesome labels, but also great things to use as embellishment too. So let me try to space these out so you can see what all is included in here. Hearts, die cuts, labels, label. This one says the best part. That one says sweetheart. Let's see. My nails aren't wanting to pick anything up today. Labels. Are these the best? And they all coordinate perfectly with the kit contents, so you can be sure that everything is going to match. Oh, here's a cute little banner. This one's really cute too. This one says a special note just for you. That's great for a card. Really cute love tag. Here's some more labels. This one says date night. There's a little heart. That one says hugs and kisses. I love the dot pattern on these hearts too. It's really cute. You are loved. That's a really good one. And then this little banner is X's and O's. Here's another bit of the banner. Look at that massive stack of die cuts here. So those are the You Are Loved die cuts. Okay, let's see the stickers. Okay, super excited about these. These are the Little Moments leatherette stickers. And I'm going to try to give you an idea of what this texture is like. But it's like a faux leather. Isn't that so cool? So you can see kind of the grain on the sticker. They say things like love documented, hello beautiful, happy dance, which I like. And these little hearts are really cool. So if you're looking to add a different kind of texture to your projects, this is a good one to get. Then we have puffy stickers, the La La Love puffy stickers that have white words, black words, and hearts in different patterns, which is really cool. And these are the Valentine multicolored puffy alphabet stickers. So that greeny teal color, pink, red, and gray. Next up, let's look at the wood veneer. We have wood veneer numbers. They're a great size for fitting into anything. Pockets on a card for a birthday, really good sizes. And then we have the XO wood veneer. Love those. I think those need to be painted on a layout. And then these are the wood veneer sweethearts. So like your sweethearts candy that you guys love. Well, some people love them, some people hate them. It's a love-hate relationship. We have these to go along with those for Valentine's Day. Let's take a look at the stamps last. This is the monthly stamp, Love You Lots. So many cute sayings here. Hello, beautiful, with all my heart. Loving this so much. This is true love. You are simply amazing. Hello, handsome, the story of this photo. And there's that really cool pattern again that we loved on the 4x6 tag. And a little banner, so you can put a phrase inside the banner that says, my heart is so happy. And I love this heart too. Love that. And then I'm really, really excited about this one, you guys, because who doesn't love the mini dated stamp? But now we have the mini dated extra stamp. So the full month, we have the days up to 31, so you don't have to stamp the individual number. Then these really cool circles here, spring, fall, summer, autumn, winter, documented highlights, and this. That is going to be a well-loved stamp in my craft room. So be sure to grab the Elle Studio January 2020 kit and extras while supplies last at the link in my video notes. And while you're there, check into starting a subscription. The new year is a great time to start a subscription to help you reach your goals, your documenting goals for 2020. And Elle Studio has all of the products to help you do that. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your Elle Studio January 2020 kit and extras.